Why is she smiling like that? She does not look happy. Wait, so you know I'm trying to spread happiness? Like butter on bread. You heard what I said? Let's go ahead to the video! And we here. What's up, everybody? So today is the day. We all seen the wig, headband wig video. I'm so excited. This is the package. I got tempted and I opened it and I said, wait, I want to do an unboxing video so y'all can see what we're working with. And I think I might have a wig cap somewhere so I can try on the wig. But I'm going to put who I ordered from. I was just searching through stuff and I was like, Jesus, let this be a good wig. Because I'm not a wig person, but I think I'm starting to become one. Because who's doing this? You see this? See this mess? Yeah. So they got it real tied up. Look like SpongeBob taught them how to tie the bag up.
You make a loop-de-loop and pull.
I've never seen like a pink bag. It's giving me girly. Not a sponsored video, by the way. So free promotion is what this is. It comes with 2 free headbands. I don't have nothing, these colors, nothing. We have flamingos though. But this is really cute. This headband is like a wider. Give me cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. We stand together.
We're cheetah girls, cheetah sisters.
Yeah. Then flamingos. Pink flamingos. So, you know, if we're feeling festive and fun, we're gonna go that way. But let's get into it! Baby, it's Christmas. They got me some lashes. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I got a wig cap. 2. Why is she smiling like that? She does not look happy. I look so raggedy, but that's okay because this wig gonna come through. How to get a free bob wig? That just reminds me of Igna.
Elegant yet bold.
Okay, free wig. So it comes with a lot of cute stuff. I got not 1 but 2 wig caps. They didn't have to do it, but they did. Then I got some lashes. 3D. Let me see what we working with here. Give you natural. Give you I woke up like this. Get at me. Ooh, ain't moving. Ain't going nowhere. Period. And then wig caps. But the moment we've been waiting for. Would you like to promote our wig? How much you paying me? No, I'm playing. So, please do co-wash with shampoo when you receive. I wasn't ready to do all of that. I was ready to just pop it in there. Say put some coconut oil and massage it in for minutes. Oh, I have coconut. Look here. Then put the hair into cool water. Okay.
Conditioner, wash it after, apply some conditioner from the bottom to the ends. Finally, let your hair dry naturally. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for your service. Anyways, let's just go ahead and figure out what it looks like on my head. Let's not judge a book by its cover. Okay. It's giving me fake. It's giving me fake. I know I ordered like 18 inches. Not gonna lie to you. I know I did. I know I ordered 18 inches. I know for a fact. Actually, it's not that bad. It's super soft. Why am I playing? Soft. Y'all see the movement? Stiff wear.
Stiff wear. Woo! Stiff wear.
Wow. But I want to see what it look like on my head. Let's go ahead and just pull this bad boy back. I just want to see what it look like. Dang. Is that what you usually do for all this? Because I have this other wig, which I got to show y'all because I got too excited, didn't even make a video. That was my first wig. And with that wig, baby, we got the wig cap and popped that sucker right on. I washed my hair and stuff before I did all that, but my hair is filthy right now, but that's okay. I'll wash the wig cap. So I'm finna wash my hair. Do a wash and go and all that good stuff. I guess we can tuck that bad boy too. Cut the ears. No, I'm playing. We ain't that advanced. This is my first time with a headband wig and I'm so excited. So what we see here, I watched several videos, okay? We see this is the headband. I think you tie it around your head. And then we got some clampity clamps. But you know, let's just get right into it. I think all that olive oil and all that, they doing too much. I don't think we need to do all that. Anyway. Oh my gosh! Wait, let me put it on first, girl. Okay, hold on. Ah! Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh, and y'all, I also was super excited, and I already bought like 10 headbands from Amazon. Amazon got everything really at this point. So I won't use the clamps just because I'm just trying it, but what is this? What's going on here? What is this? Oh, that's my wig. That's my wig cap. Wait a dadgum minute. No face, no case. Okay, I'm confused here. Give me a second. What is this? Just tap for me, please. Thanks. Just go in there for a second. Hello. I don't know how I feel. I mean, my edge is not done and stuff. So, you know, if I would have had my edges done, we would have been like, oh my gosh, wow, I look like a man. I feel like I look like a man. A man with a wig. Like, what is this? Honestly, this is what the head look like. I can't see. I'm gonna look at this after. But I mean, I would look how cute I would be. Forget doing my hair today. Boom, and you won't even know. You won't even know. So this is actually cute. Okay. We can work with this. I don't know if I'm a fan of the headband. So this is cute. But that's not. Okay, you're doing too much now. You're doing too much. Relax. So, okay. I have black headband wigs just because, in case you see something. But this is wider than I thought. I got a headband. This is the headband that I ordered. Let's see if it's even gonna fit. It did say I'm supposed to do all this other stuff to prep the wig, but I'm not gonna lie, this hair is really soft. It was only like $90. Wait, pause, had to freeze his frame. $90 is a lot, but I'm just saying in comparison to other stuff. Save your coin, look cute. Period. I've already seen a lot of ways it's like $200. My other wig was $20 though, and it's cute. I'm gonna post a picture, boop, and then hopefully I'll make a video of showing y'all that wig, but we'll see. The headband is on my neck, so this is the deal breaker. Oh my gosh! Yay, it's me! Okay, so what I would probably do, honestly, not cut that, but we can roll it like this, just so we can give it. Y'all, this actually looks really good. Like, it really do. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We can't do a part. I mean, if we did one, we can do it like that. Stop playing with them. Okay. I recant my statement at the beginning. So let me not put this in there because it definitely says like, don't do this, don't do that. Basically what I'm gonna do, so after I pre-wash this, I am going to put the hair in cool water, wash it after, apply some conditioner from the bottom to the ends. How, from the bottom to the ends? Okay. Finally, let your hair dry naturally. I'm supposed to let this dry naturally. I have somewhere to go and I kind of want to wear this wig. So, yes. This is a really close up. Like, the hair is nice. It's a nice, cute little length. I don't know what's going on in the back, to be honest. I don't know what to do with this. I'm going to do more research or something and fix that. But otherwise, this is really cute! Like, if I were to wash my hair and, like, they low-key, these textures match, low-key. But I'm actually really excited. Like, what am I finna do? I don't know what to wear. Oh my gosh. Let me put this wig on. Yay, I'm excited. Yeah! Okay, it's hair swingable. Ain't lip gloss proof, but that's okay. Nothing is. Nothing is. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Recommend to a friend. I even like the little headbands. Let me try the ones that they gave me. I'll link all this stuff at the bottom. But yay, I'm glad this is so easy. Yeah, but I would probably get a black wig cap just because it's playing peekaboo right now. So, you know, you feeling cute, you know what I'm saying? Do one of them or something, like, you know, just a normal day. Yay, I like them though. I like this wig. I do. I'm gonna buy me so many wigs. Natural hair, who? Hello. Okay. Yeah, it seemed like the other ones kind of work better just because it stretches all of this. And okay, what just happened? Okay, you can kind of see it right there at the top, but I'm sure I can figure out a way to make sure that's not seen. All right, that's pretty much it. I love this. I actually love this. Like, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. You know, feeling fancy. It's really soft. Yay! I'm excited. Okay. So that's all we have for today. I'm gonna enjoy this wig. I'm gonna walk around in this wig. I'm gonna pray with this wig. No, I'm playing. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy about this purchase. I was a little nervous at the beginning because child never wore no headband wig. I said, what am I finna look like? Like, a little nervous. Look, even the tuck under the ear. And like always, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and prosperity.